Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to connect your Bybit on Xempire. Yeah, in my previous video, I did a video how you can be able to connect your Bitget exchange to your Bybit. Yeah, remember Bitget exchange, not Bitget wallet. Yeah, that's what I did. Yeah. So for those of you who have not done that, I will still show you how to do it on this video and all of that. So now, Xempire have been able to finish their chill phase and their main phase. Yeah, let's call it like that. And on the 24th of this month of October, they will be launching, or they will be depositing or telling us the price of their token. So in all exchangers will be able to see it and will be able to receive it on that particular platform, depending on what you choose to use. You can decide to use OKS, you can decide to use Bybit, you can decide to use Bitget, you can decide to use eBay exchange or on-chain, that's your timekeeper and all of that. So depending on your choice, you can decide to use any of that. Meanwhile, you can also use or decide to donate some token if you wish to. They want to imitate Notcoin in what they did, and if you look at here, you have the opportunity to donate to charity, like donate to charity or donate to Pavo Dura, which is the owner of Ton, and you can also decide to donate charity to Xempire team, depending on you. And for me, I will not do it. I don't have anything. This little one I have, let me manage it. Picono, let me manage it. So if you have more, like people have millions. Yeah, they have millions. So if they wish to donate it, it's their choice. But for me, I don't have. I'm managing the one I have. So in my first phase, I was able to accumulate 18,951 coin on Xempire, while in my second phase I was able to accumulate 675 on my second phase, which is the chill phase. I did not accumulate much, so I'll manage this. So depending on you, I don't know how many you accumulated, and my total amount in which I have is 19,626 Xempire token. That's what I have, and that's what I'm supposed to be expecting on my exchange in which I want to receive it. So I'm going to show you how you can be able to connect your Bybit or your Bitget. So all you just need to do is to click on this option for you to receive. Yeah, depending on one you want to use. For me, I'm using Bybit. Bybit, I'll click on it, and then I'll now click on yes, I have it. And once I click on yes, I have it, you will see what is required for me to put. Yeah, if you have not registered on Bybit, you have the option to register. I'll leave the link in the description in which you can use the registering on your Bybit. Now you have the option now to put in your UID and your Xempire deposit address and your memo. Yeah, these three things are important for you to do. So all you just need to do is click on it. You now go to your Bybit account, and your Bybit account opens. Go to your assets, and once you go to your assets, all you just need to do is to click on deposit. Now once you click on deposit, go to your deposit crypto, and once you click on deposit, you can have the option for you to type X. Yeah, just type X. Once you type X, just go down below. You will see it. As you can see here on my screen, you can see the Xempire token. Just tap on it. And once you tap on it, all you just need to do is to click on Ton. Yeah, on the blockchain, they'll ask you which blockchain, tell them Ton. Yeah, and once you click on it, it will appear like this, my wallet address. Yeah, my wallet address, I'll copy it, and then I'll minimize, and then go to my Xempire here. I'll now click on the deposit address, and once I click on the deposit address, remain the memo. I'll go back again, I'll copy the memo. And once I copy the memo, I go back again and I paste it. And once I paste it, one thing is remaining, which is my UID. Now, for you to get your UID, all you just need to do is to go back to your home. Go to the home page. Yeah, I go back to my home page. Click on your profile at the top. Yeah, click on your profile at the top. And once you click on your profile at the top, you'll see your UID showing below your email address. Yeah, once you click on it and copy it, you go back to your Xempire and then paste it. And once I paste it, I will now click on save option. And once I click on the save option, it will now be saved. As you can see, it will now be saved. So if I decide to reset it, I have the option to click on reset, and then I'll start afresh again. So all you just need to do is to confirm that all your information here are correct and you are good to go. So if you don't know how to copy and paste, you can decide to write it out somewhere and then you type it, but it's quite easy depending on you. So this is how you can be able to set your Bybit exchange and all of that. So I believe that by the 20th of this month, all disbursement will start, or all allocation will start be going to your wallet. So ensure that you have been able to link it. As you can see here, it's showing me reset. That means it has been able to be set and all of that. So everything you need to do is to follow the process. Or if you have not seen how you can be able to link your Bitget account, check the video below in the description box and connect it. If you don't want to use your Bybit, use the Bitget wallet and then connect it and start making use of it. So guys, follow these processes that I just showed you or I just shared with you, and you'll be able to get your S token directly into your wallet. If you have any question, leave your question in the comment section. I will attend to it. If you got value, do me a favor by subscribe so that you can be able to see related videos like this as well, and other information I'll be sharing on this platform. As I see you on the next one, please stay safe. I love you all. Peace.